The importance of ecosystem in balancing the planet. Ecosystems are dynamic systems formed by community of living organisms that interact with each other and with their physical environment. These systems are essential for life on Earth, as they provide resources, regulate natural process, and contribute to the well-being of the all species, including humans. In this text, we will explore the importance of ecosystems, the challenges they face, and how we can protect them. Essential function of ecosystem. Ecosystem performs fundamental function that sustain life in the life on the planet. Among them are 1. Product of oxygen and climatic regulation. Forest, particularly the Amazon rainforest, act as the lung of the planet by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Additionally, plant and soil regulate global temperature and the water cycle. Provision of natural resources. Ecosystem provide food, drinking water, timber fiber, and medicine. For example, many plants used in traditional and modern medicine come from forest areas. Maintenance of biodiversity. Each ecosystem hosts a rich variety of species that play unique roles, from pollinators like bees to predators that control population. Biodiversity is key to the resilience of natural systems. Nutrient cycling. Ecosystem decompose organic matter and recycle nutrients, ensuring soil fertility and the continuity of life cycles. Regulation of natural disasters. Mangroves, coral reef, and wetland protects coastline from storm floods and erosion. They act as natural barriers that cushion of the impact of extreme events. Threats of ecosystem. Despite their importance, ecosystems face multiple threats, mainly driven by human activity. Defoster- 1. Deforestation. Every year, millions of hectares of forests are cleared for agriculture, urbanization, and resource extraction. This reduces biodiversity and contributes to climate change. 2. Pollutants. Water, air, and soil pollution harm ecosystems and endangers many species. Plastic, for instance, have inhabited oceans and rivers, affecting marine life. Climate, Climatic change, rising global temperatures, and change in weather patterns alter natural habits, causing species migration or extinction. 4. Overexploration. Overfishing, poaching, and intensive resource extraction deplete species population and degrade the environment. Invasive species. When exotic species are introduced to new ecosystems, they can displace local species and disrupt ecological balance. Strategy to protect ecosystem. Protecting ecosystem requires collective efforts and concrete action. Some strategies include: 1. Conservation of natural areas, establishing and managing reserves, national parks, and protected areas helps preserve biodiversity and natural resources. 2. Environmental education, raising awareness about the importance of ecosystem promote sustainable practice and responsible consumption. Reforestation and restoration, planting trees and restoring degraded habitats improve ecosystem health and combat climate change. Reduction of ecosystem, adopting renewable energy source, promoting sustainable transportation, and reducing fossil fuel use minimizes environmental impact. Policies and international agreements. Initiatives like the Paris Agreement and the Sustainable Development Goals set goals to protect the environment and mitigate the effect of climate change. Conclusion: ecosystems are the foundation of life to Earth. They provide essential service, sustainable biodiversity, and regulate vital process. However, they are under preserved due to human activity. Protecting them is not only an environmental responsibility but also a necessary to ensure our survival and that of future generations. Investing in their conservation is an investment in the health of the planet. Question and answer. 1. Why are ecosystems essential for balancing the planet? Ecosystems are fundamental because they provide essential services such as oxygen production, climate regulation, food and water supply, and biodiversity maintenance. Without them, the natural cycle, the substantial life, will be destroyed, leading to catastrophic consequences for all species. 2. What role does biodiversity play in ecosystem resilience? Biodiversity ensures that the ecosystem can adapt to change and withstand disturbance. Each species fulfills and species roles, and biodiversity loss weakness this capacity, making natural systems more vulnerable to disasters and climate change. 3. What are the main threat ecosystem face today? The threats include deforestation, pollution, climate change, overexploration of resources, and the introduction of invasive species. These human-driven activities are degrading habitats and causing the extinction of many species. 4. What action can individuals take to protect ecosystem? Individuals can contribute by adopting sustainable practices such as reducing plastic use, consuming local and eco-friendly products, planting trees, supporting conservation initiatives, and educating themselves about environmental issues to make informed decisions. 5. How does climate change affect ecosystem? Climate change alters weather patterns, increase global temperatures, and change natural habitat. This forces species migration, extinction, and imbalance in natural cycles like the water and carbon cycle negatively impact ecosystem health.